Hello people, a very warm welcome to all of you. I hope all my dear students are doing well. So guys, we are finally here. We are going to start off with the Pathfinder series. In case you guys are all excited and you're all ready for it, let me know in the chat, give me a huge thumbs up and let us begin with a very positive note. Hello, Baby Luffy, welcome. Kirito is here. Vijay Kumar, welcome man, so nice to see you guys. And Enthuse FC is also here. Fantastic guys, so excited to start off this Pathfinder series with all my lovely students out here. Hello Shreyas, welcome man. Serial Killer is also here, great. So people, today I'm going to start off the Pathfinder series and the first chapter which people learn in 12th standard. Let it be in your school or in your coaching, wherever you are, the first topic which usually people teach in 12th standard will be your matrices and determinants. Okay, so that is why I am also going to start off with that. I hope you are all ready for it. Yes, great Kirito, that's amazing. Hello Ankit, Karan Sharma, welcome man. Kirti Haran, welcome Kirti Haran, fantastic. Okay. Thank you Baby Luffy. I'm so happy you enjoyed those videos. Now let's get into it. Many people who are new to this channel may not be knowing who I am. So let me quickly introduce myself. People, my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a math master teacher in this particular awesome platform for learning called as Vedantu. Okay, so I teach math for the JEE Mains and JEE Advanced level. And to talk about my background, I did my B.Tech from IIT Madras. So like you guys, I also prepared for various competitive exams. I wrote KVPY, I wrote JEE Mains, I wrote JEE Advanced and I cleared all of them. So when I wrote JEE Mains, in fact, I was one of the state toppers of Tamil Nadu. And after I got into teaching, I mentored so many wonderful students to get into IIT, to get into NITs and BITS Pilanis. And now here, I have come to this channel because I want some of you guys who are very hardworking, who are very sincere, who need the right guidance, who need the motivation that Vedantu provides to reach your target. That is why I'm here. Okay, so let's have a fabulous time guys. Hello Anju Shri Kumar, welcome. Kirti Aran, very good Ankit. Okay, will you teach up to advanced? I will teach up to mains level. I will not go up to advanced level for now. Maybe while problem solving, I will take you to advanced level. Okay. So let's get started people. And like I always say, this is my Instagram ID. Many of you ask me doubts. Sir, I want to ask which branch to choose. I don't know how to cover my backlogs. What should I study now? What should I solve? Which book to study? All these questions you guys have in your head. Maybe you can message me here and I will reply within a day or two. If not, remind me again because many people message and it is very natural for me to miss some of the messages. So remind me again, I will definitely do it. Okay, great. So now people, the most important slide which really matters a lot to me. I want everybody to subscribe if you haven't already because this channel is a small channel. We are growing. We have provided you guys with some high quality content. I'm sure you will benefit from it. You can go through the videos of our channel. Many people watch only the live lectures. But guys, the recordings which we have in this channel, they are all mind-blowing. Okay, so go check it out when you have time. Exactly Kirito. How many lectures? Don't worry about it guys. I will teach you matrices and determinants detailedly. Your job is to come here, be a part of these wonderful sessions and encourage your teachers. Not just mathematics, even physics and chemistry. I want you guys to encourage your teachers, especially for the Pathfinder series. Because I see the number of people turning up for these live sessions are very less. Okay, we are doing this for you guys. Please remember that. Because you all wanted it, we have started off this series. So if you want us to deliver the best quality content for a longer period of time, you need to show some excitement. Okay, so that is why I want your active participation. Is that all right, my dear students? I hope that is a very fair deal. Yes, got it? So brilliant. With that energy, guys, do spread the word, share it with your friends that we are starting off with this Pathfinder series. Like the video if you are enjoying the channel's content. And how many lectures? Guys, don't worry about number of lectures. I will complete the entire chapter for you. That is my promise, and I will keep it up. Maybe I'll keep it up over time. Okay. Yes, Padma Shri, I am doing well. Thank you for asking. So yesterday I didn't have power in my house, so I didn't sleep quite well. So that is why I'm a bit tired, but otherwise I'm all right. Okay. So I don't know why in Chennai there was surprisingly rainfall yesterday. So there was very, very heavy rainfall. Yeah. And because of that, maybe electricity was not there, so I was not able to sleep. Exactly. Great. Exactly, we Enthuse. That's what I'm saying. We need more people to come here for the Pathfinder series because we want you guys to learn, man. That's the whole point, right? Marvin Pragasam. Welcome, Marvin. So happy to see you here. Shivangi. Welcome, Shivangi. Uncharted is here. Uncharted, so happy to see you after a long time. Great. Sarang is also here. Fantastic, Sarang. So people, before we get started, I want to give you a motivation. What is the motivation for today? Success is not final. Success is not a destination. It is a journey. Success is not a destination. Rather, it is a journey. And similarly, failure is not the end. Failure is not going to kill you. Okay, so what matters is your courage to continue. That is what matters. That is what counts. Are you all clear? So, whenever you feel you have reached success, don't stop. Don't get comfortable. Whenever you hit a failure, don't give up. Don't think that it is the end. What you have to do, you have to keep going. You have to have the courage to keep going no matter what. Whether we have a success, whether we have a failure, it is going to be a journey. Okay, it is not like at 25 years of age, you get 1 billion and you sleep. No, that is not success. Nobody does that. Have you seen that? Mark Zuckerberg got almost like 10-15 billion when he was 22-23 years of age. But did he stop there? Did he sleep? Sir, I got 15 billion in my bank account. What should I do? I have earned enough money for my kids, for my kids' kids, for my kids' kids. So can I go and sleep? No, he is still working, man. He is building Facebook, he is growing to great heights, right? So success is a journey, people. It is not the destination. Please remember that. So you just keep going. Have courage to do that. Everybody clear? Fantastic, people. Now, before we go and get started with this amazing session, many of you are here who are in 11th standard moving to 12th. Most of you guys, I guess, should be 11th standard and you are going to 12th standard, isn't it? So guys, like I promised, I always say something which is good for you. Crash course, many students utilized it and they have got great percentiles in JEE Mains. You can look at Serial Killer. Serial Killer says, sir, I took the crash course, halfway done and it is totally worth it. I'm so happy to hear that. This is what we wait for, okay? Because when I say something and you guys do it, it should be good, right? Otherwise, I'll feel guilty. I don't want to mislead you and make money. And in fact, it is Vedantu which is growing. If it grows, it is going to help more people. As simple as that. Okay? So, I'm so happy, Serial Killer, you're enjoying it. And guys, those who are moving to 12th standard, you can consider the pro subscription. Why? Because this year, again, the COVID situation is continuing. You might be already part of a school, you might be already part of a coaching, but guys, please remember, you all joined an offline coaching, but now you are studying online. The classes are in Zoom. Are they effective? Are you learning? Think about this. It is possible to learn. Sometimes it is possible to just while away time. But guys, whose life is at stake? Whose life is at stake? Your life. Your career is gonna get ruined. So be true to yourself. You can cheat your parents. You can cheat your teachers. You can cheat Zoom. You can mute yourself. You can shut off the video. You can open a new tab. You can watch YouTube. You can play games. You can do whatever you want. But ultimately, people, you have to realize who am I cheating? Who am I making a fool out of? So guys, if you ponder about those things, you will realize that you cannot afford to lose another year. So that is why I bring to you the pro subscription at Vedantu, because guys, I am telling you, pro subscription is done in Vedantu's platform. Vedantu's platform is not like your Zoom. We created by ourselves. We made it on our own. And guys, the interactive features, you have quizzes, you have engagement features like hotspots. Your teacher can talk to you. Your teacher can unmute you. You can also show your video. All of these will be a part and parcel of your classes. You have test series regularly, JEE Mains level, JEE Advanced level. You'll have teaching up to 5,000 hours. You have micro courses, and the best part is you can learn in Hindi as well as English. It's up to you. There are Hindi batches, there are English batches. So you can choose which language you want. Where do you get all these features? These features, if it was there when I was a student, guys, I would have closed my eyes and I would have gone for it. Because the pricing is so reasonable. What is a normal price for 1 year? Because I am not aware. I am not aware about the current trends. So maybe you guys can tell me, what do you think is a normal price for 1 year coaching for IIT JEE Mains in the outside world? So Baby Luffy says 1 lakh. Exactly, that is what I paid when I was a student. So I paid almost like 1.5 lakhs for 1 year. Guys, I'm not kidding. I got scholarship because I got a good All India rank, but still the fee was 1 lakh. Okay, 75,000. Guys, that is the truth. I didn't make these people say that. Did I tell Baby Luffy to tell 1 lakh? No, this is the truth. Everybody knows it. Every single person knows it. Got it? So now coming to the prices at Vedantu, for 1 year pro subscription, which can change your life, next year 2022, till you write your JEE Mains, we will guide you. It might be in April, it might be in May, it might be in June. Who knows? The COVID situation is not stopping. So whatever time it takes, we will guide you till that time for a price of just 44,000 approximately. 44,000. Where is 1 lakh? Where is 44,000? Getting it? That is the power, because we said we are the first online institute. We made the platform. We created the software, and that is why the price is reasonable, because our goal is to reach everybody, to make technology reach every corner of the country, where even people who don't have access to education should get good teachers. Teachers like us, teachers like the ones in Vedantu, Vani ma'am, Arvind Kalia sir. They have to reach every corner of the country. That is our goal, and I'm sure you will enjoy the process here. Okay, so think about it. Like I said, what are all the things included here? You have unlimited live classes, test series and analysis. Every 2 weeks you will have a test. You'll have assignments and notes and unlimited doubt solving. All of this for a price of just 44,000. Guys, again I'm telling you, it is crazy good. It is a very good deal. Do you teach on Pro? Yes, Baby Luffy. This year I am teaching on Pro. The last year and the year before I was teaching the toppers batches. So I was teaching the toppers batch at Vedantu and Eklavya. But this year, since I know a lot of people in YouTube, I am coming to the Pro batches. Okay, I will be taking one of the Pro batches. So do let me know if you join the Pro subscription. I would highly suggest you to, because I'll also be there and I would love to see you. Okay, so people, shall we get started? Velugula, you should know just your 11th standard portion. That's enough. Yes, we Enthuse, we will get started. Is this for 11th standard? Sai Imadi Shetty, it is for 11th standard students moving to 12th standard. It is for 11th standard students moving to 12th. Okay, so shall we get started? Very good, Satyam, brilliant. So let's get started, people. Are you all ready? Come on guys, show some excitement. Jump around like these ninjas. Show me some excitement, guys, come on. Kirti Aran says yes. Hari Aran says yes, sir. Abhinav is fantastic. Naushiba, welcome Naushiba. Karan Sharma, Shreyas, Vijay Kumar. Fantastic, guys. Let's get started. So the first and the foremost thing I want to teach you is what is a matrix. Many people make a mistake here. So I'm going to spend a lot of time on this particular slide. Okay. Please listen carefully. So guys, matrix is nothing but a collection of objects, a collection of numbers. That is what you mean by a matrix. Hello Liger, you're not late, we are just getting started. Hello Samiksha, welcome. Are you all clear with it, guys? So matrix is nothing but a collection of elements. So for example, if you have A, so let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is nothing but a collection of 6 elements. And this is nothing but a matrix. Why is it a matrix? Because whenever you have a collection of elements inside a square bracket, this is a square bracket, right? Whenever you have a collection of elements inside a square bracket, now that is called as a matrix. Everybody clear with it? All of you? I hope everybody is fine. Now you can collect these elements in any fashion. So here I wrote it like this. I can write the same thing even in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can represent it in any form of a rectangular array. So this is a rectangular array. What is an array? An array is a two-dimensional collection of elements. You might have studied that in computer science. For those students who are in CS group, you must be knowing what is an array. Isn't that correct? Yes, Naushiba, this is for 12th portion. This is for people who are moving to class 12 from 11th standard. Got it? Yes, we Enthuse, I will change it, don't worry. I will try to change it. Very good, Shivangi. So guys, like I said, a matrix is nothing but a collection of numbers which are enclosed between a square bracket. Yes, Abhinav, it is usually a collection of numbers only. Got it? And we can also have complex numbers. So that is why I just said numbers. I did not say real numbers. It is not only real numbers, you can also have complex numbers. Got it? Exactly, Ankit Kumar. You are absolutely right. We Enthuse, please focus on the class, man. Don't talk all unnecessary things. Please focus. You have told it 3 times. I have replied you 2 times. I hope you got it. Okay, we will change it. Don't worry. Don't spam the chat. Instead, try to focus. Got it? What are the uses of matrices? That is a good question. So let's have an interactive class. Okay, let's not make it very formal. Let's have a good discussion. You throw me your doubts, I answer them, and then we'll move forward. Only thing which kind of disturbs me or kind of increases my tempo is spamming in the chat. Okay, I don't know how to explain it, guys, but when you are teaching and if somebody spams, it is annoying. Okay, even the coolest of teachers can lose their anger or lose their temper. Got it? So please try to not spam, and when you type a message, even if I don't reply, I see it. So if I didn't reply, I didn't bother to reply. That's it. Okay, that means you have to be patient. Got it? Because you should understand that there are 30-40 students who are messaging constantly. I don't have 30 mouths, right? I have only one mouth. So maybe I can reply to one of you. Got it? So that is why I do that. Anybody who has little bit of common sense will understand that. So please wait for it. Wait for my replies. I will explain it. Now, one good question which came up was, what is the use of matrices? Guys, many people don't realize this. People think that matrices and determinants are not very useful. Many people think it is a very dry topic because it is more like chemistry. It is more like formulas. You learn it, you apply it. That's it. There's nothing much to think in matrices. That is the truth. Even I agree. Even I have come across 11th and 12th standard. So matrices and determinants, there's nothing much to think. But you know what, guys? In your college, in your undergraduate program, let's say you do mechanical engineering, computer science, electrical, all of these branches will use matrices and determinants heavily. It is one of the biggest chapters that you will use in your college. So you might be asking, sir, where will I use y equal to mx plus c, sir? You taught me straight lines. Maybe that you may not use ever again. But let me tell you, your matrices you will pakka use. You will pakka use matrices at one point in your college. Because matrices are used to calculate big products. Big products. Numerical analysis. For example, there is a millennium problem. I don't know whether you guys have heard of the millennium problems. So there are totally 7 millennium problems. So if you solve it, you will get 1 million cash prize. So they are all 7 mathematical problems which people are still trying to solve. Only one of them has been solved until now, which is the Poincare conjunction, and that was solved by Gregory, I think. So he was a mathematician in Russia. So he solved it and he gave the solution. But the remaining 6 are unsolved. And one of them is called as the Navier-Stokes Equation. Okay, so one of them is called as the Navier-Stokes Equation. Very important in your fluid mechanics. And that has a numerical solution. So numerical solutions can be found out by using matrices and determinants. Okay, so you may not understand it completely, but guys, for research, for your college undergraduate degree, matrices is one of the biggest chapters you will use. Okay, so get your basics right. You might thank me when you go into college. You'll be thanking, okay, Shimon Sir taught me this properly. That's why I'm able to understand now. So that you will feel when you go into college. So now open your ears, pay attention, be very polite, be very patient, guys. Please be patient in YouTube. Okay, I love you guys and I really want to help all of you. That is my genuine feeling. But don't disturb the class. That is my humble request, because that takes my mind off. Okay. What are those questions? Please make a video on that. Yes, Satyam, I will try to do that. That's a very interesting suggestion. Okay. Yes, Vijay Kumar, you are right. And Ankit, you are absolutely right, Ankit. Matrices are applied in the study of electrical circuits, quantum mechanics and optics. You are right. Absolutely. Great. Okay. So let's get started, people. So like I said, a matrix is nothing but a collection of elements in rows and columns. Okay. So a general matrix will be given like this. Matrices are always denoted by capital A. No problem, V Enthuse FC, that's okay, man. But try not to spam. I did not mean only you. Absolutely not. I just gave it as a general statement to everybody. Okay. So guys, please understand, matrices are always denoted by capital letters and they're always denoted within square brackets. Okay. The elements are all written within square brackets. Now these are the elements. These are the numbers. So how many numbers I have? I have mn numbers. I have mn numbers. Now, if you have a look at it carefully, I have totally how many rows? I have m rows. Did you all understand that? I have totally m rows. Yes, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till m. So I have m rows, and how many columns? Columns are the vertical ones. So I have 1, 2, 3 till n columns. So I have m rows and n columns. So this is what I call as order of the matrix. Very important. This is what I call as order of the matrix. So this representation, guys, don't multiply it. Don't multiply it. It should be written as m cross n. For example, if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this is going to be of the order 2 cross 3. Why 2 cross 3? Because I have 2 rows and I have 3 columns. So rows into columns will give you order. But please understand, don't multiply them. Because if you multiply them, you will get the product as 6. Now 6 is not order. 6 is the number of elements. So what does the product give you? The product Mn gives you the number of elements in the matrix. Are you all clear with that? Are you all clear with that? Did you all like it? Brilliant, brilliant. Absolutely awesome, people. I hope you guys got it. Always the order you will write it as rows first into columns. Rows first into columns. Everybody? Fantastic, people. Now, let's understand the way elements are written. So guys, if I take this element, this is formed because of first row and first column. Isn't that right? This element is the intersection of first row and first column. That is why, my dear children, it is given A11. First row, first column. Now, what is A21? A21 means it is the intersection of second row and first column. It is the intersection of second row and first column. Are you all clear? So that is how the elements are represented. So let me give you an example now to make it even more clear, because we all need to learn it properly, right? We all need to learn it properly. So now this is a matrix. Let's call it capital B, because every matrix is written as capital letters. Now, what is the order of this matrix? Come on, my dear children. Everybody answer it. Come on, my dear children. Everybody answer it. Shandar Gems, I am teaching matrices and determinants for people who are going into 12th standard. For people who are going into 12th standard. Okay. Very good, my dear. It is 3 cross 3. It is 3 cross 3. Absolutely correct. Very good, Marvin. Very good, Misha, Shreyas. Now, what is A23? Can anybody tell me? Let me check how good you guys are following. Come on, people. You guys are capable of getting this right. What is the element A23? Very good, Kirito. Very good, Uncharted. You guys are fantastic. A23 is what? Second row, third column. So the intersection is 6. So it is 6. Did you all like it now? So that is how you represent elements. So if you have Aij, Aij means ith row and jth column. Whatever element you have at the intersection, that is your Aij. Aij is ith row and jth column intersection, that element. Are you all clear? So this big matrix, you cannot write it like this all the time, right? This big matrix, you cannot write it all the time. So what we do is, sometimes we write it in shorthand. We write it as square bracket element Aij m cross n. Now this is expanded like this. This is expanded like this. So when I expand it, my I will go from 1 to m, because I is the number of rows. Number of rows is m. So it starts from 1, goes up to m. And j is the number of columns. So j goes from 1 to n. So when I expand it, I will get all these elements. Did you understand it? These are the basics from just one slide. From one slide, this much information we are able to get. We are able to gather. Very good. In case you guys have doubts, please feel free to ask. Mukul, Shandar Games, guys, don't worry, I will help you out. Any doubts you have, please do let me know. I will try to help you out. Exactly, Liger. Definitely, because ICC students study a bit more. I do understand that. So shall we move forward, guys? Everybody? Yes? Good, 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 good. Ankit says last one. Yes, Ankit, I will explain it again. Please listen carefully. So we enthuse rows are horizontal lines, horizontal arrangement, and columns are vertical arrangements. Got it? Columns are vertical and rows are horizontal. Is that clear? Now, Ankit, you have matrix capital A is equal to Aij in square brackets. This is the shorthand notation, Ankit. Okay. This is a shorthand notation. Instead of writing it like this very big, I can write it in shorthand in this way. Okay. So what does this mean? This means that matrix A consists of elements Aij and it is of the order m cross n. Now Aij, how do I expand it? Aij, I will be between 1 to m because I is the first subscript and that represents rows. So rows will start from first row and go all the way up to m. So that is what I have given here. Similarly, columns will start from 1 and it will go all the way up to n. That's exactly what I have written. Are you all clear? Very good, Ankit. Fantastic, Vijay Kumar. I hope then you must be very clear with this. Hello, KM Singh. Welcome, man. Karan Sharma has understood it. Yes, we enthuse. If you have a doubt, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, I will move forward and maybe I will teach you something extra. Shall we move? Very good, Marvin. Now, guys, we will now move forward to understand what are the various types of matrices. Okay, we will try to go forward and learn what are the various types of matrices. Got it? Thank you, KM Singh. I'm so happy you understood, man. And you're making use of Zero to Hero series. Good, good. Okay, so people listen carefully. Row matrix means it will have only one row. The elements will be along only one row. For example, you can have something like this 1, 2, or you can have something like this 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you see all the matrix A, B and C is all of only one row. Is that clear? Because there's only one row and because it is just horizontal, it is called as a row matrix. Everybody is clear with it? So this is 1 cross 4, this is 1 cross 2 and this is 1 cross 5. So the order of a row matrix will be 1 cross n. The number of columns can be anything. The number of columns can be anything. But the number of rows should just be 1. Everybody cool with it? Hello Sneha Shah, welcome. Very nice to see you here. All of you comfortable, guys? Brilliant. Now let's go forward and try to have a look at what is a column matrix. So Karan Sharma is asking, sir, what is 1? 1 you can call it as a row matrix as well as a column matrix as well as a square matrix. Okay, so it is a special type of matrix. Let's not worry about that. I will slowly come into it, Karan. Okay, don't worry about it. Very good, Shivangi. Shivangi, you are absolutely right. Very good. Hello, Ajay Menon. Welcome, man. So what is a column matrix? Column matrix is a matrix which has only one column in it. Okay, which has only one column. So an example of column matrix is given over here, right? It is gonna be 1, 2, 3, or you can even have a matrix B like this, 1, 2, or you can have a matrix C like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are all column matrices because they have only one column. And the order, how does it look like? This is 5 cross 1, this is 3 cross 1, this is 2 cross 1, this is 3 cross 1. So the order of a column matrix is going to be n cross 1, where n can be anything. Where n can be anything. Are you all fine with it? These basics are clear? Everybody? Fantastic, people. What is zero matrix? Yes, people, we will come to that. We will come to that. Yes, Are you all fine with it, guys? Fantastic. So shall we move forward? A zero matrix means all the elements of the matrix are zero. As simple as that. I will come to that, definitely. I will teach you that as well. Hello Cyrus, welcome man. Yes, Misha Bharti, we will have some questions. Of course we will. So let's go forward, people, and try to solve these questions. Please do it. Everybody, come on guys. Hi Darshan, very good evening man, welcome. Okay. Yes, Shreyas. Thank you for reminding. Guys, don't worry. Just pay attention. Let's not bother. People who want to do things will do things no matter what. So focus on the class. Let's try to learn something good. Okay. Very good Uncharted. Very good Misha Bharti. Very good Shreyas. We will check it. We will check it. I will tell you whether you are right or wrong. I will tell you whether you guys are right or wrong. Yes, Cyrus, this is for 11th standard students moving to 12th standard. So I will teach matrices and determinants a bit slowly. Okay. So Enthuse FC is saying infinite. No man, that's not infinite. So it has 8 elements. I told you the number of elements is equal to number of rows into columns. Is that correct? I told you the elements is equal to number of rows into columns. So I should look at how many rows and how many columns combinations I can have. So I can have 1 into 8, that is one matrix. I can have 2 into 4, I can have 4 into 2, and I can have 8 into 1. So these are the 4 types of matrices that I can have. So the answer is 4, my dear children. You are all correct. Very good guys, very good. You guys are awesome. Are you all okay with it? We Enthuse FC, did you understand it now? KM Singh is absolutely right. Very good KM Singh, you are right. Is there any direct formula to find? No, Karan, you have to do this. See, the total number of elements is equal to number of rows into number of columns. That is how I did it. Okay. Great. Yes, we Enthuse FC, it has to be a whole number because the number of elements is equal to number of rows into columns, right? Number of rows is a natural number. Number of columns is a natural number. That is why you have to factorize like this. Got it? You cannot have number of rows as root 2, number of rows as root 3. That is not possible, man. Number of rows has to be a natural number. Got it? And yes, Uncharted, we will pick up speed. We will try to go a bit faster. Come on people, this is the next question. Everybody try to solve it. Everybody please try to solve it. No, Nikhil Singh, that is not correct, Nikhil. Please don't do that. Yes, Sneha Shah, we will do that. Once I complete this topic, I will do a Menti quiz. Okay, but first we need to complete this topic. Only then I will do it. Okay. Okay, Karan Sharma says A. Monkey D. Luffy. Kirito has retracted his answer. Aishwarya says D. Misha says D. KM Singh says D. I think D should be correct. Okay, let me check it. So first of all, it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So a 2 cross 2 matrix will look like this. A11, A12, A21, A22. This is what you have to do first. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is my first step. Did you all do this? Did you all do this? This is what you are supposed to do first, my dear children. Okay. Now after you do this, what should you do? You need to find A11. What is A11? A11 is equal to I is 1, J is 1. So it will be 2 into 1 minus 1, which will be 1. So A11 is 1, my dear. A12 will be what? A12 will be 2 into 1 minus 2, which will be 0. So A12 is 0. A21 will be what? A21 will be 2 into 2 minus 1. So that will be equal to 3. So that will be 3. And A22 will be equal to what? A22 will be equal to 2 into 2 minus 2, which will be 2. So 1032 is my answer for matrix A, which is option D. Did you all understand it now? Did you all get it? Hello, Kat Stiran, welcome. Very good, Ankit, Shreyas. I hope everybody has understood it. What about Uncharted? What about Uncharted? Did you understand it, Uncharted? Syed Injamam, very good, Syed, brilliant. So let's move forward, guys. Let's go ahead. Now, what is the next thing which I want to teach you? I want to teach you what are equal matrices. Very good, Uncharted, that's perfect. Sneha Shah, brilliant. Okay. Sakshi, 11th concept, I will do it a bit later, not right now. Saksham Sinha, definitely I will help you with it. Right now, we are doing 11th standard students moving to 12th. So I have started with 12th portion. Don't worry, I will help you, but give me some time. We will plan it out, okay? I will definitely keep this in mind and I will plan something out for you guys, okay? Hello Shrivani, welcome Shrivani. So people, let's try to solve it, come on. So we have the next topic, which is equal matrices. Let's try to understand what it is, okay? So let us say you have matrix A and you have matrix B. So if I say these two are equal, what does it mean? First of all, it means that they have the same order. It means that they have the same order. Otherwise, it is no sense. It is nonsense, basically. Okay. So they should have the same order. Otherwise, you cannot talk about equal matrices. It is completely nonsense if it is not having the same order. Got it? The next thing is every corresponding element must be equal. Every corresponding element must be equal. What do I mean by this? Sir, what is corresponding, sir? Talk in simple English, sir. Just because you know English, you can't say whatever you feel like. Okay, so what do I mean by every corresponding element is equal? Let's try to understand that. Okay, let's try to understand that. Exactly. So first of all, let us say you have A to be this matrix, you have B to be this matrix. Okay. So first order should be same. That means M cross N and P cross Q should be the same. That means M should be equal to P and N should be equal to Q. Did you guys get that? Only then the order is same. Only then the order is same. Got it? That is the first one. Now the second one is every corresponding element. So let us say you have A11, A12, A21, A22. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Let's say it is equal to B11, B12, B21, B22. An example. Now corresponding elements means this and this. These two are corresponding because they have the same position. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now similarly these two are corresponding. Now similarly these two are corresponding elements. And likewise these two are corresponding. So all the corresponding elements must be equal. So I can say in shorthand Bij should be equal to Aij. That is what I have given you here. Are you all okay with it? Yes, Saksham. Did I pronounce it correct now? Saksham. It is not Saksham, it is Saksham. Okay, great. I got it now. Okay, people. So, shall we move forward? Everybody? Great. So, let's go to the next one. I will give you a question now. Please solve it, guys. I want all of you to do it. Come on. Come on, people. Please do it. Yes, Liger, I will come to that. Please wait for it. I will teach you. Yes, it does follow certain laws. I will talk about it with time. Did anybody get the answer? Did anybody get the answer? People, very good Karan, very good Kirito. You guys are all awesome. Okay, you guys are all awesome, fantastic people. Kiran Pegasus is also right. Aishwarya Jain is right. Uncharted. Very good people. Absolutely correct, because the right answer is option C. So let me show you how it is done. Now people, these two matrices are equal. So can I say this is 2 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 2? So their orders are equal. So my first point is taken care of. Everybody got that? Their orders are equal. So my first point is taken care of. Everybody got that? Very good. Yes, Akila, this is the series for 2022. Matrices I am starting with. Very good. Now, the next point is, if they are equal, corresponding elements are equal. So that means x plus y equal to 4. X minus y will be under. You will have 2x plus z equal to 7. And you will have 2z plus w equal to 10. So I will have, directly I can get x from here. 2x is equal to 4. I'll get x is equal to, any idea? I'll get x is equal to 2. Are you guys clear with it? So y will also be 2. So x is 2, y is 2. Now put it over here. So if I put x as 2 here, I will get z is equal to 3. So if I put z equal to 3 here, I'll get w is equal to 4. So the answer is 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which is 11. Are you all clear with that? Everybody? Yes, Mystic Malayali, we will have a look at it with time, not right now. Today is the first class. I cannot teach you inverse over here, Mystic Malayali. Okay, so please wait for it. Yes, Janak Menon. Janak Menon is right. You have to take transpose of the cofactor, which will give you the adjoint. Then adjoint you have to divide by determinant of A. That is the way to do it. Okay. Hello Sai, welcome man. Everybody got it? Fantastic people. Let's move forward now to the various types of matrices. Okay. But before we go to the various types of matrices, I want you to solve one more question. Please complete it very, very fast. Please complete it very fast. Come on people. Let me see if you guys are getting it. I'm so happy that so many students have come here. Great to see you guys. Welcome people. Welcome. We already know these basics from 10th standard, is it? That is amazing, man. But anyway, it is good to revise. We will do it fast. Aishwarya says A. Ankit says A. Aishwarya, I don't think A is correct. I don't think A is correct. Okay, so please change it. A is not correct. A is not correct, people. Try to change it. B, okay. B seems to be right. Yes. B is correct. Yes, I will explain it. Sumit Singh, you are fantastic. Lionel Messi and Abhinav, Uncharted, Baby Luffy, Kirito, you guys are correct because option B is right. First of all, these two are equal. Okay, they said that matrices A and B are equal. Got it? So if A is equal to B, the order should be same. This is 2 cross 2. This is also 2 cross 2. So let's not bother about it because order is same. Now that the order is same, we need to compare the elements also. So 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 3. So I will get, my dear students, x is equal to, what will I get? 2. So I got x equal to 2. But all the 4 options have x equal to 2. There's no point. I need to solve y. So I will compare these two elements. So I will get 3y is equal to y square plus 2. So I'll get y square minus 3y plus 2 is equal to 0. So I will get y minus 1 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. So y can be 1 or 2. Y can be 1 or 2. But I have one more, so let me check that also. I have y square minus 5y is equal to minus 6. So I'll have y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to 0. So this will give me y minus 2 into y minus 3 is equal to 0. So I will get y is equal to 2 or 3. So what is the common solution for both of them? The common solution for both of them is 2. That is why you need to check properly. Don't be in a hurry. Because if you are in a hurry, you would have gone for 1 and you would have said option A only to get minus 1 marks. So don't do that, okay? Are you guys clear with it? Very good, Shreyas. That's fantastic. Exactly. Yes, Kirito. No problem, Aishwarya. I hope you understood it. Shall we move forward, my dear children? Yes? Very good. So let's go forward and learn about the various types of matrices. Okay? This is quite important, guys. I want everybody to pay attention. Give your fullest attention and let's try to crack it. Okay? So what do we have here? We have something called as a square matrix. Square matrix means the number of rows and number of columns are equal. Okay. Sir, what will be the answer if their value are not common? Then Abhinav, you say no solution. You say it is not possible. Got it? Everybody clear? Yes, Gandham Ramesh, I will do that, man. Definitely. Okay. So guys, please listen carefully. When I say a matrix is a square matrix, that means the number of rows and the number of columns will be equal. So the order will be n cross n. The order will always be a natural number into a natural number. The same thing. That is when you call it to be a square matrix. Hello Nazir Basha, welcome. So what are the examples of square matrix? You can have 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a square matrix because it is 2 cross 2. I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are all random examples. You can write whatever number you want. But the number of rows and number of columns are equal. 3 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. Therefore, they are called as square matrices. Are you clear? Are you all clear with it? Fantastic, guys. So now I want to teach you something here. So when I have a square matrix, let's say I have a 3 cross 3 matrix. So we have A11, A12, A13. Then I have A21, A22, A23. Then I have A31, A32 and A33. Now if I say this is a square matrix, everybody will agree with me. Yes, because that's the truth. But now for a square matrix, we have something called as a diagonal. Okay, for a square matrix, we have something called as a diagonal. Hello Harini, welcome Harini. Now, this is called as the diagonal of a square matrix. And guys, we generally talk about this diagonal only. Because the next question which everybody will ask is, Sir, there is one more diagonal, sir. What, did you forget? No, my dear, I did not forget. I know there is one more diagonal, but we don't usually use this black one. In matrices, we don't use it at all. So we use only the one which I gave before, that is the red color one, and that is called as the main diagonal. That is called as the main diagonal or leading diagonal. Main diagonal or leading diagonal. These are the terminologies which are used. Okay. The other one which we don't use, right? The black color. That is called as the off diagonal. And generally in our JEE preparation as well as CBSE, we don't use it. Okay guys, are you all cool with it? Are you all clear? Exactly Kirito, yes. Exactly Aishwarya. Principal diagonal, main diagonal, leading diagonal. All of them are the same. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic. Now why did I teach you that? Because the next type of matrix we are going to look at is your diagonal matrix. So what do you mean by diagonal matrix? Guys, please remember. Hello Donald Trump. Welcome man. Very good to have you here. Okay. So a diagonal matrix is nothing but firstly a square matrix. You should understand that. A diagonal matrix is firstly a square matrix, because only if you have a square matrix you can have a diagonal. Okay, so that is why when I say diagonal matrix, what do I say first? It is a square matrix where all the elements apart from the diagonals are 0 and the diagonal elements are non-zero. Did you understand it? So when you have a diagonal matrix, you should remember, first of all, it is a square matrix. And what type of square matrix? It is a special type of square matrix where only the diagonal elements will be there, everything else will be 0. Everything else will be 0. Are you clear, my dear students? Very good, Zodiac. Very good, Shivangi. So that is what I have given you here. So guys, can I say that every diagonal matrix is a square matrix, but every square matrix need not be a diagonal matrix? Did you understand that? Do you agree with me on that? Can I say every diagonal matrix is a square matrix, but every square matrix need not be a diagonal matrix? Very good. You should realize all this. You should be very good in concepts. Okay. Yes, Karan Sharma, I will take a lot of zero to hero sessions. Don't worry. Till the end, we will support you. Great. So people, I hope this example is clear. Everything else is 0 and only the diagonal elements are non-zero. Only the diagonal elements are non-zero. I hope it is clear. Now I can represent this as diag of 2, 3, 5. So the moment I give you diag of 2, 3, 5, you should remember it is expanded as 2, 3, 5 and all the others are 0. That is how you expand this diag of 2, 3, 5. Is that clear? Hello Sabir Imran, welcome man. Guys, please don't spam the chat. Yes, very good, great. So let's move forward now. Now the next type of matrix which I want to teach you is called as a scalar matrix. Yes, strange by the way. We will slowly move forward. You will understand why I am teaching you all this. Okay. Yes, we Enthuse. I will keep a Menti quiz once a considerable amount of portion is covered. Okay, I will do that. So guys, scalar matrix is what? Scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix having same element in the diagonal. So again, we see a special type of diagonal matrix. What is a scalar matrix? A scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but it is a special type. What is the speciality? All the diagonal elements are equal. All the diagonal elements are equal. So again, I can say every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but every diagonal matrix need not be a scalar matrix. Did you like it? Hello Pechimuthu, welcome man. So nice to have you here. Welcome. Everybody clear? So what is a scalar matrix? It is nothing but a diagonal matrix where all the diagonal elements are equal to some constant. It can be 5, it can be 3, it can be 2, it can be 1, it can be whatever you want. So I can have a scalar matrix like this. This is also a scalar matrix. This is also a scalar matrix. So these are all examples of scalar matrices. Now, finally, we will move to unit matrix or identity matrix. Guys, unit matrix or identity matrix is very important. Unit matrix or identity matrix is very important. Listen carefully. So it is nothing but a special type of scalar matrix. What is the speciality? The equal number should be 1 only. The equal number should be 1 only. So every identity matrix is a scalar matrix where the equal number will be 1. In scalar, it can be any equal number. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but they should all be equal. In identity, they should all be equal to 1 only. So like I said, every identity is a scalar, but every scalar is not an identity. So it goes in a very sequential manner. Identity is going to be scalar, scalar is going to be diagonal, diagonal is going to be square. But square need not be diagonal, diagonal need not be scalar, scalar need not be identity. That is the way you understand it. Are you all clear? Did you understand the entire grasp of it? So the last four matrices we saw, scalar, identity, diagonal, square, all of them have equal rows and columns. All of them are square matrices. Is that clear? Hello Riya Kumari, welcome Riya, so nice to see you here. Fantastic. Everybody cool with it? So shall I move forward? Yes. Identity is a subset of scalar, not the other way. Please understand it, Jay Ajinkya. Okay. Symmetric and skew symmetric matrices I will teach you after some time, because I need to teach you a lot of concepts. We are just starting off with the basics now. Everybody cool with it till here? Great people. Now let's move forward. What else do we have? Then we have upper triangular matrices and lower triangular matrices. Okay, so what is an upper triangular matrix and what is a lower triangular matrix? Let's try to have a look at it. Okay, so people, upper triangular matrix means everything below the diagonal will be 0. Okay, everything below the diagonal will be 0. So for all I which is greater than j, your elements will be 0. Are you guys okay with it? And lower triangle means below the diagonal elements will be there, but above the diagonal it will be 0. So you see that this is a triangle, right? So you have a lower triangle here, you have an upper triangle here. So that is why this name comes for it. And this is again only possible for a square matrix. This is again only possible for a square matrix. I hope you are all clear with it. Yes, Zodiac. Zodiac, this is for people who are going to 12th from 11th standard. Everybody cool with it? Shall I move forward? Very good. Let's go forward. No mistake, Malayali. The crash course is different. The crash course is more detailed and more intense with a lot of questions. Sneha Shah, no, I am not getting into that. Don't worry about it. No, you cannot say that, Sneha. Yes, baby Luffy, no problem. So now I am moving on to a very important concept called as trace. What is trace of a matrix? Guys, trace is nothing but the sum of the diagonal elements. The sum of the diagonal elements. For example, let us say you have A is equal to 4, 1, 2, 5, 3, 7, 6, 5, minus 3. So if I asked you, guys, what is the trace of matrix A? It is nothing but the sum of all the main diagonal elements. So what is trace? Trace is nothing but the sum of all the main diagonal elements. So it is going to be 4 plus 3 minus 3. So the answer is 4. So the trace of this matrix, my dear children, is equal to 4. Did you all understand it? Very good. So it is nothing but the sum of elements in the principal diagonal of a square matrix. Again, square is very important. Why? Because we are talking about diagonals. Diagonals will be there only if you have a square matrix. Got it? Very good, Hari Sudan. Fantastic. Very good, Zodiac, Sneha Shah, Aishwarya, Kirti Haran. Brilliant, guys. Amazing. Now, let's note down the properties of trace. I want all of you to make a note of it. Whenever you have trace of some scalar times A, it is equal to that scalar times trace of A. Okay. So, the scalar can be taken outside. So, for example, if I have trace of 2A, it is nothing but twice of trace A. That's what the first property says. Got it? The second property is trace of A plus B is equal to trace of A plus trace of B. And the third one is trace of AB is equal to trace of BA. So it is product, AB product trace, if you check, that will be equal to the trace of BA. Are you all cool with it? Everybody? Fantastic, Keitharan. So guys, if you're all clear with this, I am going to move forward to the next question. Are you all ready? Yes, Snehal, I will take limits in the next 0 to hero series. Please wait for it. Very good. Harihara Sudan, fantastic. So here we go, people. Try to solve it. Come on, people. Come on, guys. The sum of elements of a square matrix lying along the principal diagonal. Absolutely correct. Sanskriti, what is the doubt, Sanskriti? I will help you. Exactly, Pranav Shirag. Not this question, the next question. I have that also with me. Please wait for it. Okay, so guys, can I apply trace directly? So trace of A minus 2B will be what? Trace of A minus 2B will be minus 1. Why? 1 plus minus 2 is minus 1. Similarly, trace of 2a plus b will be what? Trace of 2a plus b will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. Now, what is the formula? Trace of a minus 2b is trace of a minus twice trace of b is equal to minus 1. And that will be trace of 2 times trace a plus trace of b is equal to 3. Now, multiply this by 2 and add it up. So if I add it up, I'll get 5 times trace of A is equal to 5. So I'll get trace of A is 1. So if trace of A is 1, then trace of B will be what? It will also be 1, I guess. Trace of B is also 1. So what do we want to find? We want trace A minus trace B, which will be 0. Are you guys clear? Okay, Sanskriti, trace is nothing but the sum of the diagonal elements. 1 plus minus 2, Sanskriti. It is just the addition of diagonal elements. So here trace will be what? 1 plus 2, Sanskriti. I hope you got it. Okay. So trace, Sanskriti, is nothing but the sum of diagonal elements. Just pull the video back and have a look at it. Just pull the video a little bit back and have a look at it. I have one more question. Everybody cool with it? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Can you all give me a yo in the chat so that we can move forward? Very good, Sanskriti. Very good, Sneha. Great, Uncharted. Brilliant, Kirito. So the next question came in your JEE Mains. The next question came in your JEE Mains. Can you believe that? The same thing. Today is the first class and you're able to solve a JEE Main question. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that amazing? So try to do it, everybody, come on. Hello Purna, welcome man. Sneha Shah says 2. Everybody says 2. Let's check it. So what will I do? I'll do the same thing here. I'll apply trace. So I'll get trace of A plus 2B is equal to what, Sanskriti? 1 plus minus 3 plus 1. Which will be minus 1. And here I'll get trace of 2a minus b, right? Trace of 2a minus b is equal to what? You will have 2 plus minus 1 plus 2. So that will be 3. So now I can write this as trace of a plus 2 times trace of b is equal to minus 1. And that will be 2 times trace of a minus trace of b is equal to 3. Now multiply this by 2 and add it up. So you'll have 5 trace of A is equal to 5. So trace of A is equal to 1. And what is trace of B? If trace of A is equal to 1, trace of B will be minus 1. So the answer is 1 minus of minus 1. So the answer is 2. Are you all okay with it? Did you all like it? Everybody clear with it? Fantastic people. This is how you solve it. Such a simple concept. And this was asked in JEE Mains. That is the power of consistent studying. Okay, so don't worry, don't fear your JEE Mains. Very good Sneha, very good Nidhi. I'm so happy you guys have got it. Great job people. So I think that's about it for today. But in case you guys want to join Vedantu, I wanted to show you the platform. So this is how our classes are. Do you all know who that is? So that is Arvind Kalia sir. He is the HOD of mathematics, a wonderful teacher. I'm sure many of you have studied under him. So this is how the classes are like. You see, we conduct quizzes, we talk to the students, we solve it like this, we open you. This is a student, he is talking to the teacher. So this student is asking, sir, I have a doubt, can you explain it? And you see that Arvind sir is explaining it over here. And this is a hotspot. Like this, you have many wonderful features in Vedantu. In case you guys are interested, you want to be here in the leaderboard and you want to get access to this quality education, then people do check out the pro subscription at Vedantu. Mera bhai, exactly. Yes, Shreyas, that's true. So these are the live classes. You see Vani ma'am is here. You see Abhishek K.R. sir is here teaching all our wonderful students. You see how many students are participating. Like that, you guys can also come here and learn something useful in case you want to make a difference in your preparation. These are the test taking features. Whenever we have a test, this is how we will give you result. We will give you your score. We will tell you what is your accuracy, how much you scored in mathematics, how much you scored in chemistry, how much in physics, what is your accuracy in each subject, how much you took time compared to overall time. And we also give you the rank list, All India rank 1, All India rank 2, like that we will tell you where you stand. So in case you are interested, guys, please check it out, the crash course as well as the pro subscription, because now is the right time. Now is the starting point of your 12th standard. I have given you the link in the chat for all my 12th standard ninjas. So click on that link and join it right away if you feel, sir, I believe in Vedantu and I feel it can help me. Got it? So please do that. This is the price for the crash course, and for pro subscription per month, it is just 3,600. Okay. Yes. We will conduct a mentee quiz, and Ashish, I will try to give assignments. Okay. Please wait for it. Great job, guys. Yes, crash course is for 12th standard students who are writing JEE this year. Pro subscription, which I showed you here, this is for all my 12th standard going students, those who are going to 12th standard. Guys, this is the coupon code for crash course, SJCC. Don't forget that. Only if you use this, you will get a 40% discount. This is for people who are writing this year. The link will be below in the description of this video for crash course. For pro subscription, this is for people who are going to 12th standard. 11th standard students who are moving to 12th, who are writing JEE Mains next year. For you guys, this is for 1 month fee. This is for 1 year. I told you, this is incredible. You cannot get at this price. And for that, the coupon code is different. It is SHJ, Shimon Joseph Pro Subscription. Okay, exactly. So go for it. And if you are interested, do join it. I will also be teaching you. Okay, I will also be teaching the pro batches. So do register, and I would love to see you all in my class. Okay. And guys, this is the Telegram group for our channel, and this is the most important slide. Don't forget to like the video. Many people were here, but only a few liked it. Guys, come on, do like the video so that we teachers are motivated. And guys, 7 o'clock, I'm not sure I'll be taking because my voice is gone. My voice is gone now. I don't know whether you can hear it, but I feel very stressed out. So 7 p.m. I'm not sure, guys, whether I'll be taking it, but we will meet again tomorrow. Got it? Great. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to show your love. Don't forget to like the video. Okay. Thank you, Harini. Yes, Vijay Kumar. Vijay Kumar, Pro is till your last attempt. Yes, we will guide you till your last attempt. Shreyas, people keep going and coming, man. So effectively more than 100, 200 people would have seen it. Okay. So since I take lectures, I know that. When will be our next session? Tomorrow, Harihara Sudan. Tomorrow. And Saksham Sinha, I will try to do it. So Saksham, we will plan many good things, but give us some time. Okay. Because per day we can only 1 or 2 classes we can take. So give us some time. We will definitely help you. Got it? Hello Barney Dharan, welcome man. Yes, Sneha, tomorrow matrices and determinants at 4 p.m. Be there. Let's have a great time. So till then, take care guys. All the very best. Do well. And we will meet again tomorrow. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you Ria. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Love you all. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.